us caminando todas chancludas. Day two of being in Miami. We look busted right now, but because we're just gonna go have breakfast downstairs. We're gonna see if they have mimosas. Okay, so we're at the Sunrise Cafe, located in our hotel. We're all getting French toast because sadly they didn't have waffles for me.
And then you can have a lumberjack.
Waffles or pancakes? And we're trying to figure out what the lumberjack is because apparently it says everything but the kitchen sink. So we're trying to figure out what that is.
What if I want the sink?
Exactly, huh? But yeah, we're just here eating some breakfast. Let's clink our drinks together, ladies. Cheers to a girls trip. So this is our French toast with hash browns.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What I expected.
Not what I expected either, but it's okay.
We're hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry, so we're just gonna eat up. Eat up and then go and change. Okay guys, so we finished with breakfast and we're gonna check out the pool spot. You guys, we love these girls. They're so litty. I know. We love this Miami weather. And it feels so good. This gate is closed. Or it's locked. Hotel guests only. Oh look, I think only like some of them have a little balcony. By the way, my nails are from Nails by Julie. Julie, love you. Thank you for always keeping up with my nails. Look at my other hand. They're standing strong, although this one is wanting to come off. You guys! Oh my god, the water is so beautiful and it feels so good out here. We love it, huh? We love it. We love it here. The water is so clear. Not me coming out in sweats. It's okay. Me and Erica are just, you know. Look, we could have been tanning. I don't have a swimsuit or calzones on, but we'll fucking sunbathe our cheeks right here. Oh, look at my friends looking all cute. And me, I'm literally in a fucking bikini, but you know, who cares? You guys. So, what? No. Okay. So,
Flip moment.
my ass.
You trying to go on a yacht?
Me trying to get on the yacht. You guys, there's like guys.
Yeah.
You guys, there's guys looking at us like crazy. Oh my god, maybe I do look crazy, huh? Eh, who cares?
The beach.
It's cause no me sacan a pasear, so you know. Yo no me sé comportar ni nada. But we're gonna go get a bottle. You know what we forgot? We forgot our little ice bucket.
Oh, the ice.
Okay, so we're gonna go get an ice bucket. Hopefully we don't find a boyfriend walking to the store. See? Oh my gosh. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Today's gonna be fun. It's Saturday. So yeah, we'll definitely let you guys know what's the move from tonight.
Excuse me.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. But yeah, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we need to go get our bottle and then take off to the beach. Period. You guys, I like how I haven't even been looking at the crosswalk whether we're supposed to be crossing.
We're just been walking. We just be on my phone.
Alright, so we'll keep you guys updated.
Like this.
Okay, so we went to go buy little liquor bottles, right? But we didn't want to buy the big bottles because, you know, we're not trying to get that fucked up. But anyways, so we got invited to a cabana already, and we're gonna probably go in a little bit. Yeah, so we took down their number and we're probably gonna go and chill out with them for a little bit because we're here to make friends. We're here to turn up and have a good time. So we'll see if we end up going. We'll keep you guys updated for sure. But as of right now, that's our pool area and we're gonna go hang out at the beach for a little while. Okay, so we're at the beach.
We got bottle service.
We got bottle service. Look at our cute little bottles, guys. Bam. Okay, so we're probably just gonna take pictures and stuff, drink a little bit, and then we're probably gonna go hang out with some friends, our new friends. Come on, just sit right here. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, like this. It's been recording, so.
Oh, okay.
No, I can't. Wait, aren't your guys' phones water resistant?
So not waterproof.
Oh yeah, it's not waterproof, but it's water resistant.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
Guys, this is so good.
Okay guys, so we're back from the beach. We're back from the beach after taking some pictures. We're gonna start getting ready to go to the bar because we're gonna watch the fight. Look at Cutie.
Castro.
Hashtag Team Castro, Team Canelo. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Ciao. Hey you guys, so I know I haven't vlogged since we came back from the beach, but we went to the beach, we went and got ready, and now we're out. We actually just finished watching the fight and our friend won, so we're happy. We got the celebration drinks going on. Yes. So we're here with our friend Daisy. She actually is joining us tonight to see what kind of trouble we're gonna get in. So say hi, Daisy. If you had to pick a favorite alcoholic drink, what's your favorite alcoholic drink?
Mike's lemonade.
Mike's lemonade. Yeah, so Daisy doesn't really drink, so we're probably gonna get her on a level she's probably never been on before. And then
Blackout or back out?
let's say that again.
Blackout
Or back out, period. Yes. Yeah, because we're in Miami, so fucking BD's right here. We're also doing a TikTok. We're trying to stay active on TikTok, Instagram, every fucking social platform.
Except Facebook.
Oh yeah, no But yeah, we'll definitely let you guys know how the night ends up turning out to be. Ciao! Alrighty, so you guys, we're buying our waitress a shot. Happy birthday! What's your name? Jaden. Jaden. Happy birthday, Jaden. Thank you guys. You're welcome. Oh my goodness! Yay! So we just left the bar where we ate at and watched the fight. We're gonna continue to just walk around out here to see like what there is. And then we're gonna go and get ready for tonight's after party. Can I get a awa awa? No, yeah, so we'll see what we get into. Okay, you guys, so we came down at the plaza. As you guys could tell, it seems like there's almost no COVID going on. Ooh, okay, spicy. Yeah, it feels like we're in like Italy, but we're actually in Miami. Bien Miami vibes as fuck. But we're ready to get turned tonight, guys. It's so nice. It's really beautiful. You guys, we just got invited by Big Lou into this club. It looks like I'm wearing tennis shoes. And Vinny's wearing tennis shoes. What the fuck? Alright, we're in. What did you just get us in for? Look at Erica and her pouty face. Look at this meal over here. We're gonna go on a trip, guys. So we'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear sandals just to walk over there.
I would. Okay.
Yeah. So you can.
I don't have sandals either way. I literally only have heels. I can just wear. I'll just wear. So I look like more
okay.
Gucci.
That's fine. Oh, look at this Mexican candy.
Snack. A Mexican snack you should try?
Yes. Spicy.
Manzapan.
Mazapan. Mazapan was spicy.
Oh.
Not us fucking not going to sleep. Hey, who gets no sleep? Ah! Fuck you! Eye bags, but I haven't gone to sleep. It's already 12, about to be 1 out here, and these girls